Hi, it's Vanessa, and I'm just going to get right into the video. So I promised myself that I was not going to buy any more art supplies until I'm done using all the art supplies that I already have to create stuff, because I don't want to become, because I'm a creator, I'm an artist and whatnot, beader and whatnot. I don't just want to become a yarn holder. I don't want to be an art supplies holder, because apparently that's becoming a thing for me. I don't just want to buy stuff because, oh, I've got this project, I might not buy it, then I end up not doing it. So I told myself I am not going to buy any more art supplies until I am done, because this is my craft cupboard. See that? That's my craft cupboard. And you see those bags at the back? That is new yarn. But I didn't buy that one, I promise. But that is new yarn. I got new yarn and I've still got old yarn there. I've still got some art bead stuff in there. And yeah, all what I told myself basically failed, because here I am with a box of art supplies again. It's heavy. It's really heavy. Trying to get a thumbnail pic. I'm just going to open this. I'm so excited. This box has been in my room for it's been over a week now. I've been so excited to open it, and I don't want to open it because I feel I'm going to get confused on what to start off on. And I have this thing where I tend to get stuff done and reward myself with stuff. So this box was like a reward for getting work done. I think I got the work done. So this is my reward. Let's just get to it. This is too great. So first off, I've been waiting for these beads for so long. They're like teardrop beads. I've been waiting for them for so long. So we have these. Oh my god, I don't remember why I got these for. But these are like lights. Oh my god. Okay, I'll put them. And these are, what's it called? Paper something straws. I've forgotten what they're called. I'll put the name on the screen. But they've been trending now apparently, and I wanted to always give this a shot. So can you see this yarn? Look at it. Look at that yarn. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at this yarn. Can you see that? Oh, I'm so excited about this one. Got some hair clip accessory thingies. I don't know. Let's do it. Beads. I thought these were like background shoots or something. See that? Those are hairbands. Got a lot to do with these. More of the pottery yarn. And oh my god, this is the black. I think this one's like leather. No, I didn't take that one out. Oh my god, I'm so happy this came. This is like leather. I'm so excited. This is leather. And this one is, see those? I love it. I love it. Ooh, I got flags. I have to iron them, but I think I got 2 of these. Oh, and I got some more of these as well. You know, I've still forgotten the name. But yeah. Oh, I'll put a backpack on myself. This is tiny. I bought this tiny backpack for myself. This is really teeny. Bunch of hair clips. Oh, I've been waiting for these new perfect earrings. I need to get rid of this one to have. More hair stuff. And this yarn, look at that. So this is like black leather yarn, probably more. This is my black leather yarn. See those? I'll open this one again. I'm just so excited at the possibilities of the projects I can make with these. I'm just so happy. Look at that. Look how glittery they are. It's crazy. What is this? Oh. I remember buying a scrunchie with like lights. How do I turn it on? So this scrunchie was advertised with it being a light up type of scrunchie. I just need to find the switches. It's clearly not lighting up, so yeah. Now a bunch of random seashells, sea stuff. Yeah. Beads, more beads. Second flag. I've got this glittery cord. Oh, eventually I want to do a lot of earrings, so I just bought these. So more glittery cord. Oh, I think this is fabric. It's really glittery fabric. Some sort of matches the vibe with all of these, if you get what I mean. Yeah. Got a bunch of random beads. More fabric that one. This is literally the prettiest hand fan I've seen ever. I don't remember what I bought this for, but I remember it looked so. Then with the rose on top. Oh my god, it looks so nice. It's got a tassel as well, probably for the handle. These. Let's put them together. And I remember buying these beads here, the blue kind, and these types. So. More beads, more beads, more beads. Oh, these are earring thingies, the stoppers and whatnot that I've got. This is glow in the dark yarn. I'll have to test it out. I think it kind of glows. We'll see. I'll pop out this one. Oh, wow, did you see that? Oh, these are the perfect colors. Oh, I got these for scrunchies. Let me show you some. So these ones had arrived first. I got like a holder for scrunchies. So that's a lot more. More background fabric. More beads. Glow in the dark yarn. This one's green. Hopefully it does glow. Pearl drop beads. I need to sit. More beads. yarn, no fabric. What earrings holders? And I've got a lot of beads. These are earring holders. Little hangers for the earrings. Yarn, that's brown. As a silverish colour. No fabric. This one's so pretty. For some reason, I really want to start making a lot of earrings, and as someone who doesn't wear earrings a lot, I really want to do this. So I got like a bunch of an earring set of, you know, earring making kit. Yeah. Just a tiny drill that I bought. Shells, blue yarn. Oh, I've been waiting for this. We're using this snap back handles. I've been meaning to make a bag out of these, and I've got the smaller sizes, so I'll definitely make like tutorials on all of these. I think I have two. Yeah. One for a crochet bag, one for a beaded bag. Yarn. No seashells. No, those are carries, not seashells, those are carries. And I have this chain, decorated chain. Oh, I got me an umbrella. I forgot about this. I know this is not like a craft supply, but I've been meaning to get an umbrella. Because summer's almost over, the weather's changing, and I think it's a cool umbrella. And it is cool. I like it. It's got my beads. 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 Shelly. Beads. It's called more beads. Carries. More hair jewelry. This and beads. So everything left is beads. Right, so that is literally everything. I'll show you. So these are the yarns and beads. So I'm going to sort these out eventually. Those are some beads down there. The hair stuff over there, the umbrella that I just bought, and an untidy room. So this is everything I've got. So you guys, make sure you follow me. Most of these that I make, I'll be putting like tutorials on, and if you want to buy the finished product, you DM me, or I'll leave my Etsy link. You can purchase it on Etsy. I'll be making like one of these. Then if you want to make an order, you can order for it as well. But these days I just prefer to make like one of an existing design of something. One design of something. I'm not making it like in bulk. Yeah, so I guess that's everything. Make sure you follow my other YouTube channels, the crochet, the beaded channel. I'll leave the links down in the description box so you can see all the stuff that I make with them. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.